Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, we have new Beyblade. This is a Superking Beyblade Jet Wyvern. Alright, so ito na guys, we unboxing this. So Fender Jazz, so unbox mo na to.
Yes.
So what, wait, this is balance, right? This is balance, no, this is defense.
Yes.
And we have new driver. This is just.
Yes.
And we have our favorite. This is around this. Again, one defense. Oh, come on, Takara Tomy. You must have new chassis. Alright. So, hi nako, Takara Tomy.
Long time no see, Wyvern.
And we all surprised that Jet Wyvern. Sino to? Si Wakia ba to? Wakia? Fender?
Yes.
Wakia, no?
Yes.
We all surprised Wakia is back. Alright? So, eto na. So, ito, i-unbox na ni Fender Jazz. So, let's get along.
Tara.
Dito. Go, unbox it. Nice. Uy, galing ah. Dito. Yan. Go, okay. Dito. Go.
Dito ko yun. All box.
Okay,
Dito ko.
Nice.
Dito ko.
Destroy the box. Alright. Okay, yeah. Nice. So, ayun. So, hindi namin nakuha yung rare chassis 1D, but the good thing is we have original, what call this, around this, right? Around this. Alright, so ito, open it, Fender. Open it. Go. Okay. You want to
Bag up.
go? Nice. Okay. Ito pa. Nice. Alright, yeah. Okay, we have
The new Wyvern.
the new Wyvern. Hindi ko makuha yung jazz driver. Okay, yun na. Lumabas na. Alright. So, dito mo nilagay na.
Ay, lagyan ako mga. Lalo, ganda.
So, this is the sticker and the manual. So, ito, open natin to, Fender. Open muna natin to.
Ano yung secret today? Ano yung bagong update?
Yeah. Alright.
Sino yun?
Sticker.
At sino yung bagong update na yun?
Dito mo buksan, nak. Yan.
Sino yung secret?
Oh.
Bagong poster!
Alright. So, alam naman natin kung ano yan, yung mga gold edition.
Gold edition Beyblade.
Yes, gold edition. So, later we put the sticker.
Yep.
So, let's discuss this parts. This is a Wyvern.
This is Wyvern.
And look this one, guys. I thought it looks like Debolus, yeah, Master Debolus. See, it looks like Master Debolus, right, Fender Jazz?
Yes.
And the weight is so light. This is not a heavy chip. And again,
That is so cool.
oh come on, Takara Tomy. Why you always give a 1D defense? Oh come on.
Come on.
You always get our money. But you give us 1D. Oh come on, 1D. But this one is cool. This around this is cool.
At guys, the new driver of
This
the
is
day.
a new driver. Oh, wow! It looks like a universe. This. Wow! I think this is good stamina.
Yeah.
This is a good stamina.
At defense.
Good stamina and defense. So, I'm so excited to test battle this one. And okay, I will. May I see?
Wait.
You know, and free spinning. Oh, this is free spinning, right, Fender?
Yep.
Oh, free spinning, but it looks like one direction only. Diba, Fender?
Yes.
One direction.
Yes.
Okay. And the weight is not too heavy, but I think this Beyblade is a good defense and good on stamina because of this driver. But unfortunately, the good thing is around this is a good dish ever, right?
Yes.
So Fender, get your Dash Stadium so that
And the
we.
next unboxing daddy.
Okay, later. Hinahagis na lang eh. Okay, get your stadium. We will test battle. Okay, test spin.
Dito, let's go.
Oh, nice. Let's find out Jet Wyvern, the resistance. Let's see. Wow. Ang tagal niya, guys, ha? Wow.
It's gonna be 2 hours.
Ang tagal niya,
2
guys.
hours later.
Nice. So, let's test battle.
Yeah.
Get the most powerful Beyblade. This is Brave Valkyrie. Okay, let's do this. Rock and roll. 3, 2, 1, go shot. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow. Looks like. Oh, it's Jet Wyvern wins. One more. Fender Jazz.
Yes. 1-0.
Okay, let's get it on. Nice.
Let's go.
Brave Valkyrie attacking.
And shield.
Out of stamina. Jet Wyvern gets out of stamina, I think. And the winner is. Can you after that Brave Valkyrie, can we test this one? Oh. Brave Valkyrie, one more. One more. Let's get it on. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Go shot. Nice. 3, 2, 1. Go shot.
Jet shield.
Wala na. Grabe, ganda.
Sabi ko, jet shield dapat natuto. For the end.
Next one is
For the end versus Jet Wyvern.
is Lucifer.
The end.
No, it's not. This is Dragon. Okay, let's get it on. Okay. One more test battle.
Let's go. Take that. Let's go.
Nice. One more. Ooh! Daya, no? So guys, Jet Wyvern is good in defense and good stamina. One more. One more. 3, 2, 1. Go. We are gonna excited to Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Diba? So, Takara told me you should get a new chassis
Yes.
because 1D is always 1D. Come on, Takara told me. One more, Fender. Before we
Say goodbye.
say goodbye.
Say goodbye.
3, 2, 1, go shoot.
Say goodbye.
3, 2, 1, go shoot. Ano yun? Go shoot. Nice! So, this is Jet Wyvern.
This is my theory dito, Daddy. This is my theory.
Ang ganda. Maganda talaga si Jet Wyvern, no? But again, I'm upset in this 1D pens.
No?
It should have a new chassis.
Yes.
It should have a new chassis.
Down
But
na.
the good thing is we have a new driver, and we are excited to battle this, right, Fender?
Yes.
Okay, so guys, bye bye, see you on our next video.
Stay safe, stay close to you, and stay baby. Bye-bye.
Nice. Jet Wyvern is here. Wahaha.